fancied a chewy, sweet kind of cookie today. So I saw Ptak from Violet Bakery had a recipe on her Instagram for something she calls a California cookie. It's got sprinkles and it's got milk chocolate and white chocolate oats, that kind of thing. It has strawberry powder, which I don't have, so I'm not going to be adding strawberry powder, but everything else I've pretty much got. So let's see how it goes. First up is some plain flour. And some caster sugar. I'm doing a quarter of the amount, so the recipe says it makes 20. It should be 5 cookies, which is more than enough for me to eat on a Sunday. Small batch cooking. Then salt, a bit of desiccated coconut, and yeah, this is where she'd add the freeze-dried strawberry powder. But I don't have that, so I'm hoping it doesn't affect things too much. It's about, I guess in this amount would be about 2 teaspoons of strawberry powder, but we'll make do with that. And it's some oats. And some bicarbonate of soda. And then I'll just put that in the mixer to give it a little mix together. So that's all the dry stuff mixed together. Then I'm going to add some butter, which might have a toast crumb or 2 in. Don't judge me. Or do judge me. It's completely fine. And then it's an egg yolk. And that gets another mix together until it's really well combined. So that's had it mixed together. I'm pretty sure that's well combined. Hope so. You never want to mix it too much, do you? But I really don't know. So I've got some milk chocolate and I just picked up some Caramac instead of white chocolate. So you get that slight caramelly flavour. And the nice thing about doing a small amount is that I just use a small bar and then I don't have big bars of chocolate sitting in the fridge waiting for me to eat them. Alright, and then that gets another mix together. Okay, so that's all mixed together, and then I'm going to use this scoop and kind of portion out so I have 5, and then I'll roll them in sprinkles. So mine made 6. If I was being really accurate, if I could be bothered, I'd weigh out the ones that look a little smaller. I can't be bothered, so I'm just gonna have a little fondle. I think that's about right. Maybe a little bit more on this one. Okay, and then I think we just roll it in sprinkles. I can't be reading the recipe at the same time. So I'll get a little bowl, pop some sprinkles in, and give them a roll. Never done sprinkle cookies before, but I just had a hankering. I don't really know why. Do you reckon you do both sides? Must be both sides. That's it for the most part, and then she freezes it, but I'm just going to pop it straight in the oven. And it has a little bit of molten salt on top, and then it goes in for about 15 minutes. So let's see. Here they are straight out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool down on the rack a little bit, on the baking tray a little bit before getting them on the rack. They smell incredible, so fingers crossed. Okay, they've had a little cool down, a little bit, they're still very warm. I'm gonna have a little try. Lovely colour. Delicious. You get that kind of crunch from the sprinkles and that kind of kick from the salt on top, and then it's crunchy at the edges but softer in the middle, and you get the kind of hint of coconut and then the kind of almost caramelly chocolate flavours. Very good. Would recommend. Hope you enjoyed this week. Let me know if you try them and if you've got any tips for me, and I'll see you next time.